day. So this morning we got to the field about 5 o'clock. Shooting time is about 6:40. So we knew that from scouting the night before, the geese were kind of set up in family groups. They were just kind of scattered all out throughout the field, which is weird just because it's not early season, it's middle of December, but maybe the weird weather the past couple weeks has something to do with it. But so we got there this morning, set up just several family groups. We had about 15 to 20 dozen decoys. We had 15 dozen dive bomb silhouettes, and then probably another 3 or 4 dozen full body geese, and then a couple dozen full body ducks. Set them up in family groups, a little bit of a bigger group around the blind just to try and draw them in there. Kind of a little bit of a horseshoe shape, but we had some just spread out everywhere just to make it look realistic like the spread was the night before. First, I was getting kind of nervous because we saw big lines of geese going every which direction except for towards us. But then after a little bit of watching that, we finally saw some get right up off the lake and came right towards us.
Take them. Are they that far out there?
First one, I messed up a little bit, got excited, thought they were a little closer than they were, and pulled up and shot. We dropped, I think, 2 out of the first group, but they were a little far out. The next couple groups that came in, they were flying pretty back to back. I mean, we had 5 minutes between groups, barely had time to run out and grab the birds.
And then we had 4 come and land right in front of us. And I sat up, yelled at them. We got all 4 of them up, and we got all 4 of them. It was just really cool to see. The 2 guys on the right shot the 2 right ones. 3 guys on the left got the other 2, and it just worked out well.
Take him! Hey! Hey! take him. He can't hear.
Beckman, hit him with the flag.
Huh?
Hit him with the flag. Two behind us.
Two behind us. Oh, I didn't know there was one sitting there. One sitting there.
There's two on left.
Yeah, if these come in, we'll take them.
Hey! 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 Got it. Folded. I got one in. We got the geese to our four of them on our left.
What are you gonna shoot, the ducks or the geese? Oh shit.
I'd like to choose one of them.
Yeah. Take him! Alright, hold on, don't shoot him. Here's it.
I think I need to work out.
This is fun. Oh, I got blood on the new hat. It's a good day. There's your we're gonna start on this side. Shoot that one.
Shoot him! Shoot it, Beckman!
Nice. Stay down. Tell Reed.
and I don't know if they started seeing us. It was so windy, our cover was blowing off our blinds. We didn't brush them in as well as we probably could have. They started like just short coming to us. They were kind of staying on top of the hill, starting, okay, they don't like something we're doing. So we moved a bunch of the decoys that were in front of us behind us so they'd land a little closer. And then we moved the truck. We don't know if that was what was kind of throwing them off, but we had the truck just parked on the edge of the field. So we went and moved that. Since we had 14 birds, we had one of our guys just kind of call it and go warm up. So the 30-mile-an-hour wind had us all pretty chilled to the bone. And it all worked out. We had one single come in. All 4 of us got to shoot at it, and it took, so 4 times 3 equals 12. And yeah, that 12th shot was the one that got him about 60 yards up in the sky. And it all came together well. We got our 5-man limit, and it just turned into a great day.
I think we all shot it.
There we go. Finishing touch. Nice.
5-man limit right
That
there.
was fun.
That was really fun.
Job well done, fellas. I thought he was gonna get away.
I think we all. He definitely got hit 2 or 3 times.
Who got that last hit on him?
I got one shot and there they go.
Really?
I definitely grazed him. I don't think I hit it very hard.
Well, I had my gloves on and I went to.
But I think the major points for today was we didn't have the best hide, but we had a decent scout, knew where they wanted to be in the field, knew where they were set it up, how to set up, and then just kind of listening to the birds. They weren't talking, so we didn't really talk back to them. Just a little bit of flagging here and there, a couple clucks, a couple moans, just to get the one's attention that weren't really liking it for some reason. But yeah, it ended up really good. I think the wind really helped us. Tomorrow, we scouted tonight, didn't really see a whole lot flying. So tomorrow we're gonna head back to the same field, set up a little differently. It's supposed to be a southwest wind, a little bit less wind, 10 to 20 mile an hour gusts, high 20s in the morning. It's supposed to warm up to about 40 degrees. So hopefully there's some storms up north, and hopefully it'll press down some new birds and we'll have a decent shoot tomorrow. I'm excited.